How to follow and invite friends on tweets. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to do that. So first thing, go to tweets, and here guys click on this icon, and you will find here, click on this icon, and you will find the first option, which is follow and invite friends. Tap on it, and this is it guys. Here you will find follow accounts from Instagram, invite friends by SMS, invite friends by email, and invite friends by those. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next one.